Well, I'm using the Lavalier mic again in dolly track mode. Dolly track is where it's in front of you. And this is a DJI Lavalier mic connected to my iPhone with a transmitter, and works pretty good. The app in the HoverCam X1 eliminates the rotor sound or the little blades, so you don't hear the loud whining as you're recording. It works really pretty good. So I'm riding my Segway scooter, cruising the neighborhood. Got a pretty good headwind right now, about 15 miles an hour, so it's kind of amazing that it's doing so good. But I've got this Lavalier mic right here, and we'll see how it works. It's just for fun. The teeny little handheld drone is taking this, all automated, AI inside. It's pretty neat. Let's see if it'll go around the corner here. Yep, works pretty good. Coming back up to my house. What else do you do when you're 69 friggin' years old? So when you pause for 3 seconds, the drone stops, and then it comes back to you. Come here. 1, 2, 3. Here it comes.